Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Nowadays, the kitchen serves as the central hub of a home. Therefore, it is essential to create a versatile space that can be used for eating, working, and enjoying leisure activities. With the decline in popularity of formal dining rooms, those considering a kitchen renovation must consider various factors when deciding between a kitchen island with an integrated dining table or a traditional standalone table. These factors include the environment, financial implications, and personal preferences. There are so many people asked if they should choose a kitchen island as dining table or standalone dining table. If you have the same question, let's see the advantages of kitchen island and standalone dining table. Actually, standalone dining table has some advantages in your kitchen. Here they are. A separate table offers more flexibility compared to a kitchen island. It can be easily moved around or even taken out of the room if needed. Tables are available in different shapes, materials, colors, and sizes to fit any style and room layout. Even small kitchens with tricky floor plans can usually accommodate a table. Additionally, having a table with space underneath creates an illusion of a more open and spacious floor plan, which is ideal for smaller kitchens. Many dining tables can be extended to accommodate more guests when entertaining, but they take up less space when not in use. In terms of practicality and cost, it is usually easier and cheaper to replace a dining table if your preferences or circumstances change compared to replacing a kitchen island. Standalone dining tables also offer more flexibility in terms of the type of dining chairs that can be used, as there are generally no restrictions on the seating options. Here are some other samples of standalone dining table in same room with kitchen for your inspiration. And now the advantages of the kitchen island that also use as dining table. Upon entering a kitchen with a central kitchen island, it is highly likely that it will catch your attention first. It has the ability to add a wow factor and transform an otherwise unimpressive kitchen into something spectacular. You have the option to either match or contrast your kitchen island with your existing units, which can either blend in or add a pop of color to the room. Kitchen islands offer the added benefit of multifunctional storage options, such as deep-set drawers for all your cooking essentials. There are even options for built-in sinks or a hob if desired. A kitchen island with an integrated dining table provides extra seating for family and friends, making it perfect for social gatherings. It is also an ideal spot for displaying kitchen accessories, such as a vase of flowers to make the kitchen/dining area more welcoming. Additionally, a well-placed kitchen island can visually separate the cooking and dining areas. Lastly, a space in the kitchen island can be made to accommodate a bed for any furry four-legged members of the family.